Good morning. Today we are correcting CO9. I can find the square root of a number. So we did some of these yesterday together. Square root of 49 is 7, which is 7 times 7. Square root of 100 is 10, which is 10 times 10. Square root of 16 is 4, which is 4 times 4. So what number times itself? Oh, square root of 4 is 2, which is 2 times 2. Square root of 81 is 9, which is 9 times 9. And the square root of 36 is 6, which is 6 times 6. So remember, when we square a number, we multiply it by itself. When we find the square root, we figure out what number we are multiplying by itself to get that square root. On the bottom, if a square has an area of 64, we find the square root to find its side measurement, which would be 8. If it's 144, we find the square root for the side, which would be 12. Then it says, explain how you can use square roots to find the perimeter of a square with an area of 25. So first thing we have to do is find the length of the base, because we know perimeter, and we have to add up each side. So we have to find the side length. So if it's a square, all of our side lengths are the same. If the area is 25, one side would be 5. Then we can either add 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, or we can multiply that 5 by the 4 sides. Each way we get 20 for our perimeter. Is there anybody who does not understand that wants me to go through that a little bit more in depth? Any questions on our square roots? Okay, so before we move on, remember we just have one final objective that we are doing today. So that means our test is next week. Practice test Monday, real test Tuesday. So it's your responsibility to go through those objectives and make sure you understand them. If you are not sure about one of the objectives, remember, I try super hard to read minds, but I do not know if there's an objective that you are still questioning, that you're not sure of. You have to come tell me so we can work through it. I am after school today. Next week, Monday is that part. Tomorrow in class, we're going to go through the objectives. Practice test is on Monday. You need to come tell me if you have questions on it before Tuesday's real test. If you are watching this video at home, I hope you are well, and I hope to see you soon. Have a wonderful day.